You are watching the Weather Channel. Thanks for joining us. I'm Vivian Brown along with Mike Bettis, and we're here to tell you about a newly issued tornado watch.
Yeah, so this goes until 9 o'clock this evening, Central Time, Viv. We've got Louisville included in that, Bowling Green, Kentucky, back down through the mid-state of Tennessee, so Nashville we're in that, but all this entire area that's highlighted in red. At least favorable conditions for tornadoes to form as the cold front pushes east.
Okay, it's a tornado watch, not a tornado warning yet. A tornado warning means that a tornado has been sighted or detected on the radar. We haven't seen that so far.
We haven't. In fact, a lot of storms we have right now aren't even meeting severe thunderstorm criteria. We have some hail out there. It's not large enough. We have some winds, but not strong enough. All right, so look at this area. This is the area in the atmosphere we have the most available energy to deal with. All right, San Antonio, Jackson, Mississippi, up through Nashville, Tennessee. But that's just one ingredient that we need in order to get severe weather to form. We also need some wind shear out there. This area highlighted in purple is where we have the strongest wind shear. Where the two overlap is where you're most likely to get strong storms. That's right where by the way, our tornado watch is.
Okay.
So it makes perfect sense, and moisture's been streaming north out of the Gulf of Mexico, so moisture is there. One thing we're looking for is some instability in the atmosphere. Can we get enough surface heating to get things to bubble up here? So on this visible satellite map where you see breaks in the clouds, and that's been primarily in this area here, West Tennessee, where we've had some clearing and some daytime heating. That's an area I'd be concerned about. You can see the boundary is right there. When you see the bright whites and that thin line right there, that's the boundary setting up, pushing in. That may be the trigger into that to clearing skies where we get the storms to form.
Yeah, and the irony of it all is that where we do have the sunshine, that's where we can destabilize the atmosphere even more for the threat of the storm.
Exactly. So that's what we're watching. We'll go through the evening. So it's West Tennessee, it's Western Kentucky. There's that humid flow out ahead of our system that's pushing east, and you can see the showers and storms. General run-of-the-mill thunderstorms have formed today, but these will get more invigorated as we go through the evening. So we can zoom down into some of these, and you can see that we've got the new flash flood warning here for Louisville. Storms that came out of Evansville that were very strong, that actually did have some hail, some large hail, and some strong winds now pushing their way toward Louisville. And we don't need a lot of rain here in Louisville. We've had about 6 inches rain here in the past 24 hours, and this storm coming right along I-64 has a lot of rain in it. Our flash flood criteria, by the way, Vivian, is roughly 3/4 of an inch of rain in 1 hour. Would be more than enough to cause some flash flooding, so that's why we have the warning here for this storm that's about to roll in.
Yeah, I was talking with a meteorologist in the local National Weather Service office out of Louisville, and he said he's definitely watching for the potential.
It makes perfect sense, and considering what they had yesterday for sure. A little bit farther south, Hopkinsville to Clarksville, Springfield, everything north of Nashville, kind of right along the Kentucky-Tennessee state line. Very strong storms here, not producing large hail, about penny-sized hail. With some of these storms would be half-inch size hail, but enough maybe to cause some dings in your car, that's for sure.
All right, so you got to keep it tuned to the Weather Channel for the rest of the afternoon because, say, going through the weekend, things will quiet it down a little bit.
They should. It shouldn't look like this at all. It should actually get a lot quieter, but it's what comes after that, Viv, and that could be an issue. Next week, we may see the repeat of performance of what we saw this week.
Okay, and we'll detail that next time. Thanks very much, Mike. All right, back to you, Sam, in the studio.